Hello children, welcome back to the maths class. Our new topic for today's class is rounding numbers. Okay, what is rounding numbers? See here, for example, sometimes you may see in the sky some birds flying in groups, correct or not? You can see a flock of birds flying in the sky, right? You cannot count. Sometimes if it is less, you can just count and say only this much is there. Or also how you will say approximately, no? Yes, for example, if there are 43 birds you can see, how will you count? You will sit and count one by one. No, approximately you will say, okay, 40 birds is there. Okay, maybe 50 birds may be there. Okay, so that you are saying approximately, no, maybe. Okay, so that is called as rounding numbers. There in that place, you are not going to say the actual number, you are going to say little less or little more than the number. So that is called as rounding numbers. In this video, we are going to see rounding two-digit numbers to its nearest tens place. Okay. Now I am taking the first example, 24. Okay. Now we can round it off to the nearest tens place. See, I have taken the number 24. We all know 24 lies between 20 and 30. Okay. See, in this, when you take the tens place, 2 is there. So the number lies between 20 and 30. What are the numbers in between 20 and 30? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Okay. Now where is my number 24? Yes, here it is. Okay. So now you see which number is nearer, 20 or 30? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This side when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is nearer to 24 children? 20 or 30? Which tens place is nearer? 20 only, right? No? So the nearest tens place for 24 is 20. Understood this one? Okay. Now next we can go for next example. I am taking the number 55. Okay. And when I am taking my tens place, it is 5. So from 50 to 60. So what are the numbers in between? 51, 52, 53 and so on. It goes, correct? No? Till 59. Right? These are the numbers in between. Now where is my 55? It is in the center. Okay, it is a little confusing now. Now which side is easy for us to go? 50 or 60? What I told, always remember, in one's place, if it is 5 or greater than 5, it will be rounded off to greater number, greater 10. Which is greater 10 here, 50 or 60? 60 is the greater 10, no? So since in one's place it is 5, it is rounding off to 60. So 55 is near 60 only. Okay for you? If the number is in the center, it will round off to the greater 10. Next I am taking one more example. My number is 67. Okay. So 67 means it lies between which two numbers? See, my tens place is 6 here. So it lies between 60 and 70. Okay. So what are the numbers in between? You know, what are the numbers in between 60 and 70? 61, 62, 63, it goes on up to 69. Now where is my number 67? It is here, correct. By seeing easily you can find it out. Which number is nearer, 60 or 70? Yes, which number is nearer? 60 is very far, correct. See how much is there. But for 70, see, it is very nearer, correct, no? So which number is nearer to 67? 60 or 70? It is 70, right? No? So my 67 rounds off to the nearer number 70. Understood? Now we can go for the book exercise. Take page number 23. Okay? Exercise 1F. See the first sum. Fill in the blanks with tens. Okay? First question. 72 is between dash and dash. Okay? We have to find is between which two numbers. Okay, see here now 72 is given. So what we have to do, always when we have to find between, if the word between comes, means take the tens place. What is there in tens place? 7 is there. Okay, so here we have to write 70. You know tens forward, no? Yes, since 7 is here, you write 70. Okay, what is the next tens of 70? It is 80. Correct. So 72 is between 70 and 80. Okay, remember whenever the word between comes, see the tens place. Okay, same way coming to the B sum, when you see 59 is between dash and dash. Okay, so the word between comes, so see the tens place. This is a ones place and this is the tens place. Okay, see the tens place, 5 is there. Okay, so 50. Okay, which is the next tens of 50? It is 60. Okay, so 59 is between 50 and 60, right? Now coming to page number 22, try this there. Okay, round to the nearest 10. Okay, we have to round to the nearest 10. See, the first question is 72 here. Okay, as we saw, what we have to see here first, we have to see the ones place. Okay, always we have to see the ones place. If the ones place is 5 or greater than 5, okay, then we can round it to the greatest 10. Okay, but what about here? It is less than 5, correct? No. So what we have to do, what is in the tens place? 7 is there. Take and write and put 0 to that. Okay, always remember, round to the nearest 10 means in all the numbers we can put 0 at the last. Okay, this is not a problem. Next we have to see the ones place. Since this number is less than 5, okay, we are just writing the number like that itself. Okay, now coming to the B sum, 65. Okay, what is there in ones place? 5 is there. Okay, if the number is 5 or greater than 5, what we have to do? We have to add plus 1 to this tens place. So what is 6 plus 7? Sorry. So now what is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1 gives you 7. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now same way coming here, see the ones place only 3 is there. This is less than 5 now. So take this number and write like that itself. Okay, now coming to the last question, see in ones place what is there? 7 is there. 7 is greater than 5, no? Okay, so since this is greater than 5, we have to add plus 1 to the tens place. What is 4 plus 1? It is 5. So this only is your answer. Okay, same way here we are going to do the sums in the next page. Okay, now we can take page number 23. See the second sum, round to the nearest 10. Same way, what we didn't try this, no, same way. Okay, see what is the number here? 55. I have told you we can write 0 to all the numbers. Okay, because we have to round to the nearest 10 only, no, so we can put a 0 there. Now when you see what is there in ones place, 5 is there. Okay, in ones place, if the number 5 or greater than 5 is there, what we have to do? With this number we have to add 1, correct? So what is 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Okay, now coming to the B sum. Okay, what is the number here in ones place? 9 is there. Okay, so it is greater than 5. So here also we have to add 1s to the tens place. Okay, what is 7 plus 1? 7 plus 1 gives you 8. Okay, same way now coming here. Okay, see the ones place, what is there? 1 only is there. It is less than 5, right? So directly we can write this number here. Okay, 9. So this only is your answer.